So I didn't really want to leave it there. I was in the middle of that. Once you set up as a teacher, I would go ahead and just let it play. I don't know if it's going to give you a chance to respond correctly. So might not be quite as good as the first time. Hopefully it'll be pretty good. Keep going though. Yeah, there's no real spot to respond. So yeah, what you could do is, as you're going through it, why did these people come to power? You could be thinking about the answer out loud. Stalin used terror, propaganda, then think through Mussolini, Hitler, etc. And then when there's a question, think about it. Why wasn't Italy unhappy after the war? Well, because they were expecting more territory. And then just read through it carefully. If you want to watch the clips again and you got tons of time on your hand or you're bored, go ahead. On these quizzes, just make sure I can answer them. And or look at your notes and answer them. That's a good way to rep it. Then just keep going. If you got plenty of time, watch the video clips. If you want to skip the video clips, okay. As long as you're able to answer the questions correctly. You can just say the answers instead of having to type them in. Or you can just write them down on separate paper. Whatever makes you happy. But the more you rep it, the more it'll be meaningful and useful. The more you rep it. On this one, you wanted to write down the answers, but not write full sentences. I think that's okay when you're just practicing. And just keep reading it. Once you finish the whole slideshow, you're done for that day. On the next day, you'll be going to Quizlet. When you do the Quizlet, it wasn't working earlier in the day, so I'm not sure if it's going to work today. You should start with the flashcards, do the learn activities, do the test, and then at some point in that period, I'll be doing live. I think for your class, I'll be doing it at 11:30. And that should kind of finish the review, that 3-day review cycle. The next day, you're just going to review genocide, and we're only going to spend a day reviewing that because everyone did better on that one, and also it's a much shorter unit. And that's it. And that's volume 2 of the Quizlet, or the video clip for the Rise of the Dictator unit. I hope all is well. Take care. Stay safe. Keep the world safer.